to get rid of bacteria in stomach. Ingredients: garlic, cinnamon, ginger. Garlic, cinnamon, and ginger are natural ingredients that have been traditionally used for their potential antimicrobial properties. While they may possess some antibacterial and antifungal effects, it's important to note that their efficacy may vary depending on the specific bacteria or fungi involved. Cinnamon possesses antimicrobial properties due to its active compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde. It has been studied for its potential antimicrobial effects against bacteria and fungi. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which exhibits antimicrobial properties. It has been studied for its potential effects against various bacteria and fungi. Ginger also contains compounds with potential antimicrobial properties. It has been studied for its effects against various bacteria and fungi. Some research suggests that ginger may have antibacterial and antifungal activity against certain strains.